This technique is called retreating pendulum. We're going to take it from right fighting stance. The attack is coming from 12 o'clock. It's a cross behind rear kick, back kick, cross behind side kick with the right leg. So now from here, we're going to take the right leg. Instead of dropping straight back to a twist stance, we're going to hook it around a little bit to get our body out of the way. So the kick is coming from 12. We're going to hook it around, and at the same time, we're going to do a right downward block. As we do the right downward block, the left hand is going to come up on top and parry and check. So one more time from here, we're going to check the kick, block the kick as we check from here. Now, right from this position with the right leg, we're going to shoot a side kick, and we're going to be catching the back of his left knee. As we shoot the side kick back of his left knee, the right hand is going to continue from the block, go up and around, and come with a hammer fist. So when we kick, the right hand's coming around and shoot a hammer fist back of his neck. Now from here, we're going to drag up. As we drag up with the right leg, we're going to scoop the groin, or we're going to scoop inside his right knee. As we scoop, then we're going to complete the circle by buckling and pushing him that way. Okay. Now let's take this from the top one more time. We're going to hook around, check the kick, kick him back of the knee, hammer fist back of the neck. We're going to drag up, scoop the groin, and we're going to buckle him and pushing him forward. Okay. Now, if he was coming from 12 o'clock to kick me, when I cross behind, I want to get out of the way and kind of invite him in a little bit. Now, from here, as soon as I drop back into this stance, I'm going to shoot and take his knee. And as I take his knee, I'm going to come up with the right hand and catch him with a hammer fist back of the neck. Now we're going to drag up, scoop the groin with the right heel. As I scoop, then I'm going to shoot my leg, ball of the foot, then I'm going to drop my heel down to buckle him and throw him forward. Okay, let's take this again one more time. This time we're going to do it from a different angle. Okay, so one thing I want you to do is, when he kicks, as soon as you drop back into your stance, you're going to come out and shoot that kick right away. So as soon as we drop back, boom, we're going to kick right back. Let's take it from the top. We're going to block the kick and kick right away. Come with the hammer fist, back of the neck. Then we're going to drag up, scoop the groin with the heel. As we scoop up, we're going to come down and buckle and throw him forward. Okay, now, also, when he kicks, and we take him down and we kick and hammer fist, we could scoop the groin and buckle the knee. Okay, well, the way you're buckling is, you put your foot down and you're staying on the ball of your foot, then you're going to drop your heel down and lock the knee. That's what's going to push him forward. Okay, let's take this a little bit faster from the top. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, one more time. Yes, yes, yes. It's yes, yeah. It's yes, yeah.